Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Spotify on Windows 11. Very simple task. There's actually a couple ways you can do it, but the main way we're going to be showing is how to do it through your browser. You can go to the Microsoft Store and download it through there if you want. We're just going to do it through the browser because that's usually where I download it. So all you got to do is open your browser of choice, then look up Spotify web player. So you can go over here to the right-hand corner and click Install App. You can also just look up Spotify download if you want. Then you can just go to download directly from Spotify, or you can click on this link here and it will bring you to the Microsoft Store. We're just going to do download directly from Spotify, click save, then it's going to download it. You can double click it, then it's going to go ahead and install it, and you're done. All you got to do is log in. You can scan this QR code on screen with your phone, or you can just go click the login button and log in, or you can sign up if you don't have an account. If you like this video, drop a like. If you guys did not like this video, drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. Share this with a friend who may or may not know how to install Spotify. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.